For those who have been asking about the pots I used and their sizes, this video is for you. Welcome to the Aloe Vera garden. The pots I used in the garden are polyethylene plastic pots, commonly known as soft plastic nursery pots. They are durable and resistant to breaking, even with prolonged exposure to extreme weather conditions. Additionally, they are flexible and easy to handle, especially during repotting. For small aloe vera pots like this one, I use small pots. This helps save soil and space as I can easily group these pots in the corner of the garden. These are newly planted pups. They were just planted yesterday, which is why they still look limp. As the plant grows a little bigger, I transfer it to a slightly larger pot. And then, when it grows bigger, I transfer it to a bigger pot. This process of changing pots continues until the plant reaches its ideal mature size. However, sometimes I miss repotting due to my busy schedule and the plant continues to grow in a smaller pot. Take this plant for example. It has kept growing bigger even in a small pot. Aloe vera can thrive in minimal soil and small pots as long as the soil contains enough nutrients. The only issue I encounter with larger plants in small pots is that they tend to topple over easily. Small animals or even winds can knock them over, potentially breaking their leaves. I hope you found this video helpful. This is Danny. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.